Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you all probably know what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna do a nude makeup look, which is like kind of a neutral makeup, and I absolutely love this look because it goes with literally anything and everything you wear, and you can wear it anytime during the day, night, evening, whatever. It just goes with everything and you don't have to think much before doing it. So the first step is to wash and moisturize your face, and I have already done that. So I'll move directly to applying my Clarins BB Cream, and for applying it I'll be using a damp beauty blender. Now I'm gonna apply the concealer, and I'm using this concealer by Kylie Cosmetics. It's in the shade Maple, and it's almost empty. As you can see, I definitely need a new one. And I'm gonna apply whatever is left of it under my eyes. In the middle of the forehead, on my nose, a little bit on the chin, and I'll blend it all with the beauty blender. And I'm gonna apply whatever is left on this beauty blender on the eyes. For contouring, I'm going in with KKW's contour sticks, and this is in the shade medium. And again I'll blend it with the damp beauty blender. Now I'm going in with Kylie's Skinny Duo palette, and I am using this shade Sunkissed, and I'm using this shade to even out the contouring we just did. For the blush, I'm using PAC in the shade 03. And for highlighting, I'm going in with highlighters in the shade French Vanilla. For the eyes, I'm using the I Want It All palette and I'm going in with the shade Party Time. So I was gonna use a mixture of 2-3 more eyeshadows, but the nudish kind of eye look that I wanted, I think I have already achieved that using just this one eyeshadow. So I'm really happy with it, and I think it goes pretty well with the blush and everything, so I'm not gonna do anything else. For the eyeliner, I'm using this Revlon's eyeliner pencil and it's in a dark brown shade. I'm not gonna draw a line, but I'm gonna do a smudgy smoky kind of eyeliner. And for the lower part of the eye also, I'm gonna apply the same eyeshadow. For the mascara, I'm going in with Clarins Supra Volume Mascara. I applied some false eyelashes and now we are finally going to the lips. And for the lips, first I'm gonna apply this lipstick by Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Cocoa. And on top of that, I'll apply this gloss by Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Like. And this is it. This is our final nude makeup look. I know the eyes are really simple, but as long as it is going with the face, I really hope that you all enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are not already, then please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that is pretty much for today, and I'll see you all in my next video.